I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by opening the workbook and selecting the exact worksheet you want to change. You'll act now. Go to the View tab to see the Gridlines checkbox or to the Page Layout area on the Home ribbon in some versions. Once done, confirm print area or page layout settings aren't suppressing grid lines for print. Make sure the sheet isn't protected. Protection can prevent toggling. These steps set the stage so the actual removal command will affect the visible cells immediately. Now perform the core actions. In the View tab, uncheck grid lines to remove on-screen lines. If you need to stop them printing, go to Page Layout and uncheck Print under Grid Lines. Once done, inspect cells with colored fills. A non-white fill can appear as lines. Select the range and choose No Fill from the Fill Color menu. Make sure to check multiple sheets and freeze panes. Frozen pane borders may look like grid lines, so unfreeze if necessary to confirm the change. Finish by verifying results. Use Print Preview to ensure grid lines won't print. If faint lines remain, they are likely cell borders. Select all and choose No Border to remove them. Also unfreeze panes and clear any conditional formatting that might draw lines. If you can't change settings, the sheet may be protected. Unprotect it or save an editable copy and repeat the steps. One key troubleshooting tip: if grid lines persist only on screen, restart Excel and check display driver settings, because graphics rendering can sometimes cause ghost lines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.